one numerical we had solved using the psychrometric chart related to design of air conditioning system. Okay, so we'll solve the same numerical using ASHRAE Psychrometric analysis software. Okay, so what was the question? This is the link for the software. Okay, so this was the question. Outside design condition, inside design condition data is given. Sensible heat, latent heat is given. Coil ADP is given and recirculated air percentage is given. You have to find the things which are asked over here. Now this is the setup. Okay, outside air or fresh air at 0.1, it mixes with 0.2 air to give 0.3 air. Okay, air is at 0.3. Now this 0.3 air, it enters the cooling coil, and then we get point number 4, which is supply point. Then point number 4 air, it picks up the heat, and we will get the room design condition, and part of that air is exhausted, part is recirculated. 60% of air is recirculated, 40% is exhausted, and 40% fresh air is taken inside. Okay, now point number 1 data has been shown here. Point number 2 data has been shown here. Now we will go to ASHRAE Psychrometric analysis software. Okay, this is ASHRAE Psychrometric analysis software, where we have different psychrometric charts. So here you can understand we have 7 charts available. Okay, it is at different pressure, temperature, but we will be looking at atmospheric condition. Okay, which is ASHRAE chart number 1. So this ASHRAE Psychrometric analysis software, here you can see ASHRAE Psychrometric chart number 1. Here the barometric pressure is 101.325 kilopascal. Now point number 1, we will see the data. What is point number 1? 40 degree dry bulb and 30 degree Celsius wet bulb temperature. So you have to click here, edit state points. Before that you have to select metric unit. Okay, we have IP and SI unit. So I have selected standard international unit. Okay, SI units, which is metric unit. Then click on edit state points. Okay, now we'll see this side by side. Okay, so whatever point I am writing here, it will be plotted on the chart. Okay, so first point data 40 degree Celsius dry bulb temperature and wet bulb temperature 30 degree Celsius. Okay, so here you can click add point. This is point number 1. So dry bulb temperature is 40 degree Celsius and wet bulb temperature, it is 30 degree Celsius. Now after entering this data, click apply. Okay, point 1, it will appear on the psychrometric chart. Okay, here you can see point 1 has appeared. I'll zoom and show it to you. So here you can see point 1 has appeared on psychrometric chart. Now next, point number 2 data. So point 2 is 27 degree Celsius dry bulb temperature and 60% RH. So add point, this is point number 2, dry bulb temperature is 27 and relative humidity, select here relative humidity RH, it is 60%. Click apply. So you have got point 2. Okay, now after this you have to actually join point 1 and point 2. Select here, you can see under the heading of process, you have to select here connect state point. So we have to join 1 and 2. Okay, I'll click apply. So I have joined 1 and 2. Now one more thing which is remaining, we don't have exact value of mass flow rate. Okay, we will consider point 1 40% air is there and point 2 60% air is there. So point 1 40%, point 2 60%. Point 1 here I'll write 40% and point 2 this is 40%, apply and 0.2 is 60%, apply. Okay, now 0.3 is mixing point. Okay, so I'll add a point 0.3. Okay, we have to go to the process. Here we have to select air mixing. Mixing is start point is point number 1 and second point is point number 2. Okay, already we have given here percentage 40% and 60%. So here you can see 0.3, it is at 100%. Okay, click apply. You will get point number 3 on psychrometric chart. So here you can see we have 0.1, 0.2 and 0.3. Once this is completed, next step is coil ADP. Coil ADP temperature, it is given as 13 degrees Celsius. So we have to join 3 with coil ADP, which is 13. So add point coil ADP C. Now this we have to connect. So go to process and connect state point 3. Dry bulb temperature will be 13 and wet bulb temperature will also be 13. Okay, it is on saturation curve. So click apply. Okay, so we have drawn 3C now. Now we have to draw RSHF. Now here some trial and error method is required. Okay, what we have to do? Click add point. This is room ADP R. Okay, now this will be from point 2. Okay, so we will write here connect state point 2. Okay, now what is room sensible heat factor? It is RSH upon RSH plus RLH, and that value is 0.714. So we have to maintain 0.714 RSHF. Okay, so I'll go back to the software. Here I'll put in some values. Okay, so suppose this is 16 and this is also 16. So here you can see sensible heat ratio, okay, or room sensible heat factor, that is 0.681. So by trial and error you have to consider this. Suppose this is 16.5 and this is again 16.5. Now I am getting this room sensible heat factor as 0.714, and that is the room sensible heat factor which is given here. So room sensible heat factor is 0.714. Now since this room sensible heat factor is matched, I can apply and create this point. So we have completed with this numerical. Now it was asked in this question to read the data at point 4. So you can move your cursor at this point 4 location, and whenever you move your cursor here, you can see the values over here on left hand side. Dry bulb, wet bulb, RH, all these values change. Okay, so if you take your cursor here, you can see the values. Okay, you can read the values over here. These are the values of 0.4. Okay, and that you can compare it with the theory analysis. Okay, so if you see the theory analysis, suppose these are the answers using theory analysis. Dry bulb temperature, wet bulb temperature, dew point temperature, RH of 0.4. Okay, so if you compare, if you keep your cursor at this location, you will be able to read these values. Okay, dry bulb temperature, wet bulb temperature, RH and dew point. And you can compare the values of software with manual method. So with this I have also completed with the demo part of psychrometric analysis software with the numerical which we have solved in previous lectures. So I'll stop over here.